My boss has assigned me a new project, and I need to calculate due dates on invoices. I can easily do this. First, click on the due date cell. Then I will use a formula to calculate the due date. Then, press the equal sign and click on the invoice date cell. Next, press the plus button and click on the reference day cell. And now, press F4 to make it an absolute reference so it doesn't change when copying the formula. Then hit Enter. After that, drag down to fill the entire data. Now you can see the number of days entered in a separate cell. If you need to change the days, just update that cell and all due dates will adjust automatically. In addition, if you want to calculate the due date for a single date, first click on a cell and press Ctrl plus semicolon to insert today's date. Then click on the next cell, press the equal sign, click on today's date, press the plus button, and then add the number of days you want. I am writing 35, and then press OK. You have the due date calculated for a single date. This quick method helps you easily manage your projects and invoices. Like and follow for daily tips and tricks.